Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is ALXNDA, and this is my catch-up series for today, the 15th of July, 2021. On the VIX side of things, the market was around here last week where we drew a minor Fibonacci, and I said the market was at the 38.2. and we're in the bearish market. So if we saw a break of this level, we could sell. But if we saw a break of this level, we could be a buyer back to the upside. You see that break, retest, and further consolidation, but still unstable. You could have been able to make quite a few bucks from it. For VIX right now, it's currently at this level. It's currently rejecting from this level here, or it's currently sitting on this area here. So we want to see what will happen. Either the market rejects from this level back up or breaks this level. So for us to become confirmed buyers in this market, this area has to be taken out. This area has to be taken out for us to become confirmed buyers. If not, for now, we are still going to be in the selling market or being in the consolidation. So might see a retest of this level and further break. Yeah, so we might see a retest and a push back down, or a break of this level back here. Then a break of this level would make us confirmed buyers back to the upside. Let's look at other ones. 25 broke out of the consolidation already. You can see it broke out of the consolidation, and yesterday I took a trade, but it hit my SL. I took a buy around here, I think. Yeah, I took a buy around here, but it hit my SL at 2540. It hits my SL around here. So my entry was inside these candles here, inside these rejections up here. Then it just went straight down to hit my SL. But looking at it, why I took the buy was because of a broken level here. All I got was 1-2, a break, and there was some sort of consolidation on lower time frame that was showing me that it maybe might want to move upwards, but it didn't. Now we're back in the selling territory. If we draw this fib like this, you'd see that it rejects off 38.2. Now we are in the impulsive move back to the downside. So I want to see how the impulse continues to the downside. For now, no trade will be taken unless we see a support, and then we can know what to do from there. Then 100. 100 has been on a push. I shared it to the Traders Hub community in the Discord channel. What I was anticipating was a rejection from here. We got that rejection. I also took a sell around here with a break 1-2 of this minor level back down. I was looking at the market coming back down here, but as we can see, the market is still pushing for the upside, rejecting off this 38.2 level here. So So rejecting of this 38.2, we might just see this market continue pushing up. But if it does not, like right now, it did not break this level here. So we saw that rejection. That makes this place a double top. So the only confirmed break in the structure we're expecting is if this level gets taken out. So we might see price run back down here or just continue to the upside. If price runs down here, if you go on lower time frame, you see reasons. When you see reasons to take a sell, you can counter trend this trade and take it back down here. And if it breaks this level, then we might see the market run back downwards here. Yeah, so that's that. Then on the Forex side, EUR USD was around here last week, where I said we're still looking for the downside push, and I'll only be a confirmed buyer if I see a break of this level. We saw that break on lower time frame of this area, the retest of that level and back to the upside. We're still in the bearish market. So what do we see? We see that push back downwards. Right now, what we're expecting, what we can see is a double bottom, by the way. We'll only become confirmed buyers, strong confirmed buyers, which means that the market has shifted momentum when there is a break of this whole level here. But for right now, the market seems like it's in a bullish retracement. We might see this market run back up here because of the confluence. So like this, we might see the market run back up here. Let me take out some of these Fibonacci to make my charts a little bit clearer. So this Fibonacci here is still valid because it went up to 88%, dropped back down. I'll only be a confirmed buyer with a break of this supply zone here, but for right now, it's just in a bullish retracement. So if I see some sort of bearish activity around here on lower time frame, or anytime it gets here or gives me a bearish signal, I will be taking the sell again. AUD USD was around here, where I said we were still expecting more bearish push. We've not gotten that bearish continuation, but what we got was a retracement, a double top, some sort of bearish engulfing. Right now, this market is just consolidating around here. It's consolidating around here. So I will be seeing what this market wants to do. A break of this level will signify that the market wants to run back up here. And if it breaks this level, maybe it wants to come back up to this daily level. So, but for now, we are still in the bearish market, but it's just consolidating. So if you are the trend line type of person, you can draw a trend line like this and wait to see how the market breaks out of the trend line. If it breaks out of this side, we might see the market run up here. If it breaks down here, we might see the market continue back to the downside. So that is that for that. USD CHF, the market was around here, where I said I would only be a confirmed seller with a break of this level here. We saw that big push to the downside where it did not give any reason, but it just kept falling. to this low where I said we might see the market run into. Fell back down there. If you draw a crosshair, if you draw an horizontal line, you'd see that this whole level looks like it got taken out, and that is the reason for this Fibonacci. You can see that the market has retraced by confluence to the 50%, one top, double top, bearish engulfing. I was looking at the buy side of this market because of the bullish retracements, but looking at things like this, seems like it has broken a higher low on lower time frame, retested and pushed. So for now, I want to see how this market fares. This market might push back downwards. I want to see how this current candle closes. If this current candle closes, then I might look at how the market is on lower time frame. We might see some sort of there might be some sort of resistance around here on lower time frame. If we go on lower time frame, we might see that resistance here. Then we can see how we can capitalize on the sell and know what to do. So, but we might see this market run back into this level and maybe downwards, or still consolidates. I will only be a buyer if I see some sort of bullish push around this level, a bullish break of this level. Then I might just see how to finesse the market back to the upside. What else? Let's see other things. NZDJPY, I've not been analyzing it, but the market was around here that day. I said I was expecting it to come down here, and if you checked the last catch-up series, I had a projection of it coming back here and going back up. So we saw that push. I took a buy around this side before, and I'm looking to see how this market fares right now. I'm on the bear side, by the way, but I want to see how it fares around this level. If there is some sort of bullish push off of this level, then we might still be in the bullish retracement, because the most recent higher low is this, and it has to be taken out for us to continue the bearish run. So it's just, I'm just counter trend trading with this. So if we see reasons to continue the bullish side of the markets, which is the bullish retracement back up to this side, we can capitalize on it. What else? GJ, I did not analyze this, but like this, we might just see this market retest this level and continue back downwards. Or if we see the market give some sort of break off of this level, then we're back up to the bullish run. So we might just see the market push back up. But for now, we want to see a retest of this level for a continuation to the downside, because the market right now looks like it's in a bearish market. We had some sort of resistance here that got broken, but structure-wise, we are still bearish. So lower high, some sort of resistance, confirm the lower high here. Also, a break of a higher low. What we expect is a retest of that higher low or up here before we continue back to the downside. EUR JPY, I did not analyze it that last time, but we got a confirmed lower high here, a break. I was expecting the market to give a good retest on lower time frame, but it just kept pushing back down, pushing back down. And looking at these tiny candles, it seems like we might see a bullish push because of momentum. Momentum is dying. Just looking at the candles, NZD USD, we see the market run into this level. The market was around here. We see push back down. So just looking at this, seems like this level has been taken out on lower time frame, but we are still in a bearish market. So I want to see a break of this level on lower time frame. I took a sell, but it hit my SL yesterday, and you would see that the market is just doing whatever it wants to do. So I have a line here. If I see that break of this level, we might see the market run back down here. But for now, we just want to see how this market fares. For gold also, this market was consolidating, and I said I want to see a break of this level for me to continue selling. There was no break of that level. You could see that it broke to the upside. You could see that break to the upside. So what do we expect? A retest and continuation back to the upside, or a consolidation and a drop to this side. So whatever the market wants to do, we would take it up from there. So that's the end of my catch-up series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, ask your questions, comment, leave a comment if you have any currency or any instruments or any crypto you want us to go over for the next one. Don't forget to drop it, leave it in the comment section. Share this to everyone you know. Let them tap in, and don't forget to follow us on our social platform on Twitter and Instagram at TradersHubNG, at Yusha Mindset, at King ALXNDA, no space, KINGALXNDA. So I'll see you guys on the next catch-up series. Take care. Bye-bye.